You're listening to Fast Facts, Ask the Expert with Machell Hudson-Hoover.
Hello, everyone. It is a beautiful day to be a dental hygienist. I think this is going to be my favorite episode, maybe of this year. I don't know. I might say that next month. This discussion is designed to push dental professionals out of our comfort zones, but in the best way. By addressing oral health through the lens of lifestyle and systemic health, we really can deepen our patient relationships, transforming how we care for them. As dental hygienists, we often meet our patients. They're frustrated by recurring periodontal inflammation, caries, whether it's new caries disease, recurrent decay, and that leaves health challenges that feel really just no solution. There's no solution. While traditional home care recommendations like, brushing or flossing are really vital, today isn't about that. Let's focus on strategies outside of these routines, approaches that have really, in my opinion, the most profound impact on both their oral and systemic health. So let's talk about these whole body strategies that are transforming care. Dietary guidance. So instead of quit eating sugar foods or sugary drinks, instead, let's give our patients some more clarity. We encourage limiting added sugars because sugary drinks and processed foods fuel harmful bacteria, leading to dysbiosis such as caries disease and systemic inflammation. Patients with xerostomia, frequent snacking, or sleep disorders face even higher risk. We encourage focusing on whole foods, encourage nutrient-rich snacks like an apple with almond or Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, no added sugars. Whole foods support microbial balance, while ultra-processed foods are going to feed harmful bacteria. And nitrate-rich prebiotic foods. So encouraging leafy greens, beets, garlic, bananas. It's going to promote the beneficial bacteria and nitric oxide production, improving vascular health and immunity. So movement and insulin sensitivity. Whoever knew that we as dental hygienists were going to be incorporating movement into our patient protocols? I've been doing this for several years, and I've seen so many great outcomes. I've actually been talking movement for the majority of my profession. I just have a greater understanding now. We know that regular physical activity reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity. We know that healthy muscle is going to gobble up glucose. So we know that muscle acts as a primary site for glucose uptake. So the more muscle you have, the more effective your body can move glucose from the bloodstream. And movement even supports periodontal health, y'all. There's research out there proving that as well. Nasal breathing and nitric oxide. Nasal breathing supports proper growth and development, and it does produce the greatest amount of nitric oxide, a molecule critical for reducing inflammation and enhancing antimicrobial defense. Stress management and sleep. Chronic stress and sleep weaken our immunity. So where we're looking and screening for sleep disordered breathing, we do also need to be asking our patients how they sleep. And I do encourage in an action step too, if you're not screening for sleep disordered breathing like OSA, to reduce inflammation and improve our patients' outcomes. Elevating patient communication. Start the conversation. Let your patients know. Andrew, oral health is about more than brushing and flossing. Small changes in your diet, adding movement, and sleep can transform your overall health, including your mouth. We can actually get you off this roller coaster of periodontal disease and get you in a manageable state. And call for action. This is for all of us. Empower patients to lead the charge. As dental hygienists, we bridge oral health and whole body wellness. And by addressing factors like diet, nasal breathing, movement, and sleep, we really do help our patients manage oral disease and improve their quality of life. Together, let's redefine what it means to be an oral health care provider. Let's really help elevate patient success in the way that we care for our patients. Just one conversation and one small step at a time. Thanks a whole lot. Have a great week.
You can reach out to me, Machell, at rdhhealth. You can also find me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Machell Hudson-Hoover.
Thank you for listening to Fast Facts Ask the Expert. If you have a topic you'd like one of our experts to answer, simply email me, Andrew at ataleoftwohygienist.com, and we will get it on the air as soon as possible. Thanks for listening.